moment generating function can be defined means corresponding to any random variables. So moment generating function, this one is a short form MGF. MGF, moment generating function of random variable x is defined as moment generating function of any function any random variable x. T is defined as expected value of e to power tx. Expected value of e to power tx. So if x is a what? X is a discrete random variable, then what is the value? The value for this one become expected value for e to power tx. This become e to power tx into probability of x equal x. And this one is for what? This one is for the discrete random variable. Discrete random variable. Discrete random variable. And second one is a what? Second one is a expected value for tx is a what? Expected value for tx is a, not this form, if we write a in form of summation. What is the value for this one? Expected value for e to power tx is a what? E to power tx into probability of x equal x. X equal x for discrete variable. For discrete variable. Discrete random variable x. So, and this one equal minus infinite to infinite. This one, obviously this one is minus infinite to infinite, and this one is a minus infinite to infinite. E to power tx fx dx. E to power tx fx dx. So this one is a what? This one is a, by the definition of a moment generating function, this one is a for what? For continuous random variable. For continuous random variable x. Continuous random variable x. Now, if we try to expand this one, what is the meaning of this one? This one can be denoted by what? Why this one is called moment generating function? Because there is no any means up to this level there is no any term of moments. So if we talk about this one, means if we expand this one, expected value for tx means moment generating function of moment generating function. This one is mxt equal what? Expected value of et capital X. So what is the expected value of e to power tx? So if we expand this one and use the property of expectation, e to power tx is what? 1 plus tx plus t square x square upon factorial 2. T square x square, here we write a capital X because this one is a random variable capital X. So what is the value? This one is a tx square plus t cube x cube upon factorial 3 up to how many number of terms? Infinite number of terms. So if we expand this one, means using the property of expectation of sum of random variables, sum of if t is treated as a means t is a one variable. So if we operate the expected value here, so what is the value for this one? Expected value for 1 plus t into expected value for x plus t square upon factorial 2 expected value for what? X square, and similarly how many number of terms? Infinite number of terms. So this one is a what? This one is a moment generating function mxt. Now if we closely observe and use the property of expectation, expected value for x represent what? Expected value for x represent the mu1 dash. As earlier we discussed about this one. Expected value for x represent the mu1 dash means a moment about origin, moment about any point. And if we find the moment about origin, then this one is also a moment about any point, and point is what? X equal to 0. So what we write here? We write here mxt. If we write mxt equal what? If we write here moment generating function mxt equal expected value for e to power t x equal, this one is what? Mu0 dash. Mu0 dash plus expected value for x is what? Mu1 dash. T mu1 dash plus t square upon factorial 2 mu2 dash, and similarly tr upon factorial r, t to power r upon factorial r mu r dash up to how many number of terms? Infinite number of terms. So this one is what? This one is a summation r equals 0 to infinite mu r dash t to power r upon factorial r. So here we closely observe. Now this one is a somehow look like as a what? In term of a moment generating or moments, not a moment generating function. Means this one is a what? Moment generating function, because here we write mxt equal expected value for e to power tx. This one is a what? Here coefficient of a t to power 0 upon factorial 1 represent the 0th moment. T to power 1 upon factorial 1 represent the mu1 dash, t to power 2 upon factorial 2 represent the mu2 dash, mu3 dash and mu4 dash. So particularly how we find the mu r dash? So here if we erase out this one, means if we write, not erase out this one, if we write here, so here if you closely observe this one, how we find the value of a mu r dash? With the help of this expression. So if you closely observe, if we differentiate this one r time with respect to t, then what will happen? Here means d by dr by dt r. Differentiate r time. What? Moment generating function mxt, and putting t equal to 0. First we find the differentiation, means not here I am not going to directly put the value for this one, and here this one may be more understandable if once we write in a this one in a expanded form of this one. So what is the mxt? This one is a what? This one is a, what is the first term? First term is a expected value for 1, means mu0 dash plus mu1 dash t upon factorial 1 up to mu r dash t to power r upon factorial r plus mu r plus 1 dash t r plus 1 upon factorial r plus 1 up to how many number of terms? Infinite number of terms. So if we differentiate this one, d by dt r time of what? mxt. So what will happen here? This one becomes, this one is a constant. After first differentiation, what is the value? Value becomes 0. After second differentiation, t to power 1, this one becomes 0. So after rth differentiation, this term onwards, what is the remaining term? This term and this term. After this term, all the terms will remain if we differentiate with respect to r. So this one becomes 0 plus 0, and what is this term? If we differentiate first time, this one is a r into t to power r minus 1. If we differentiate two times, r into r minus 1 t to power r minus 2. So if we differentiate r time, then what will happen here? This becomes r into r minus 1, r minus 2 into t to power what? First time r minus 1, r time r minus r. Divided by what? Divided by factorial r, and this one is a constant mu r dash. Mu r dash. And this one have a what? R plus 1 into r up to what? There is a term of a t, means a factor of a t. Here also onwards, in each term there is a factor of a t. So if we put t equal to 0, so if we put here dr upon dt or mxt, putting t equal to 0, then what will happen? All of this one is free from t. Why this one is free from t? Because there t to power r minus 1, r minus r, this one is free from t. If this one is free from t, so all other terms there is a factor of a t, and previous term becomes 0 due to the differentiation. So previous term from this term becomes 0 due to what? Due to differentiation. But after that, after putting t equal to 0, all the term after this one becomes 0. So what is the value? Value becomes this one, and this one is what? Factorial r minus 1, r minus 2 up to 1. This one is a factorial r, cancel out. This one is a t to the power 0, this becomes 1. So what is the value? Mu r dash. So this one gives what? This one gives, if we differentiate moment generating function one time and putting t equal to 0, then we find the mu1 dash. If we put, if we differentiate two times, d2 upon dt r, means d2 dt square, moment generating function two times, then we get what? Mu2 dash. Similarly, if we differentiate the r time and putting t equal to 0, then we find the mu r dash. Due to this reason, this function, this one is called what? This one is called moment generating function. This one is called moment generating function, because this one generates the moments. So in terms of expansion, t to power r upon factorial r, coefficient of a t to power r upon factorial r give the mu r dash, and if we differentiate this one, r times this one directly give the value of a mu r dash. So due to this reason, this one is called what? This one is called moment generating function, because we able to find out the first moment, second moment, third moment by expanding the moment generating function. Or we differentiate the moment generating function one time, then we find the mu1 dash, two times then mu2 dash, mu3 dash, mu4 dash. And once we find the value of a mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash, these are the moments about any point. Then with the help of a relation between moments about any point and moments about the origin, we able to find out the value of a mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4. And once we find the value of a mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4, then we able to find out all the coefficient of a statistics, means a coefficient of a skewness, coefficient of a dispersion, mean, variance, with the help of a mu1, mu2, mu3 and mu4. Now we solve some numerical example based on what? Based on a moment generating function. Find moment generating function of a random variable whose moments are mu r dash. So what is the question? Question is find moment generating function of a random variable whose moments are this one, means a mu r dash equal this one. This one is a given, means mu r is a given, mu r dash is a given. So here there is a need to find out a moment generating function. So how we find the moment generating function? Here this one equal what? We know that moment generating function mxt equal summation r equals 0 to infinite. 0 to infinite mu r dash into t to power r upon factorial r. T to power r upon factorial r means coefficient of a t to power r upon factorial r represent the what? Mu r dash. So this one is a moment generating function. Now we put the value of a mu r dash. This one is very simple. Just put the value of a mu r dash here. Then what is the value? Then this become what? mxt equal summation r equal 0 to infinite. This one is a what? Factorial r plus 1 into to the power r into t to power r upon factorial r. So if we simplify this one, r plus 1 into factorial r cancel out, then this become what? Then this implies that moment generating function mxt equal summation r equal 0 to infinite r plus 1 to the power r into t to power r. So if we expand this one, then what will happen? So here moment generating function of this one mxt equal what? Mxt equal, what is the r equal 0, then what is the value? Then this become 1 to the power 0 1 to the power 0 1 plus r equal 1, then 2 into what? 2 into what is the value? Value become what? Value become here 2 into to the power r, t to the power r, this becomes 2t plus 3 into 2t. What is the value of r equal 2? Then 2t square plus 4 into 2t cube, and how many number of terms? Infinite number of terms. So this one is a what? Arithmetic geometric series. So how we find the sum of this one? So how we find the sum of this one? Suppose this one is a what? This one is s. S equal what? S equal, this one is a s equal 1 plus 2 into 2t plus 3 into 2t square plus 4 into 2t cube. So then we multiply by what? Multiplied by the ratios of a geometric series. What is the ratios of a geometric series? 2t. So this one is a 2ts. So 2ts become what? 2ts we multiply here and write from here. This become 2t. Then this become plus 2 into 2t square plus 3 into 2t cube, and so on. And subtract these two as we done in intermediate, means there are many questions of arithmetic geometric series. So if we subtract this one, then this become s minus 2t s equal what? 1 plus 2t plus 3 minus 2. This one is what? 2t whole square plus 2t whole cube up to how many number of terms? Infinite number of terms. So what is the sum of this one? Sum of this one is a what? Sum of this one is a upon 1 minus r 1 upon 1 minus 2t, and this becomes s into 1 minus 2t. So what is the value of s? S become what? 1 upon 1 minus 2t whole square. So what is the value for this one? Now here the value for this one become what? The value of this one become 1 minus twice t to power what? To power minus 2. This one is a what? This one is a moment generating function mxt. This one is a moment generating function of this function. This one is a moment generating function of this one. 1 minus 2t to power what? Minus 2. This one is a moment generating function of this one. Moment generating function, if mu r dash is a what? A factorial r plus 1 into 2 to the power r. This one is a moment generating function. So this one is a moment generating function of a, if mu r dash equal this one. So this one is a one example. If mu bar dash is a given, then how we find the moment generating function. Now second question is suppose probability is a given. Probability is a given, then how we find the moment generating function? Means in terms of expectation, how we find the moment generating function. So once we raise out this one, then we try to solve the second numerical problem. So once we write the second numerical problem, example 2, what is the example? Find the moment generating function. Find the moment generating function. Moment generating function. What is the given that? Given is a what? Given that probability of probability is a given. Probability of x equal r equal p into q to power r minus 1. P into q to power r minus 1. R equal 1, 2, 3 up to what? Up to infinity. Also find, hence also deduct, hence also find mean and variance. Also find the mean and variance. Solution for this one. First we try to find out the moment generating function. So what is the solution? Solution become, we know that moment generating function mxt equal what? Equal expected value of e to power tx. Expected value of e to power tx. X is a what? X is a random variable. Here, in case of a discrete, this one is a discrete random variable. So what is the value for this one? This one is a summation x equal minus infinite to infinite e to power tx probability of x equal what? X. Probability of x equal x. So you may also write this one is a what? Summation. There are two parts. X equal minus infinite to 0 e to power tx into probability of x equal what? X plus second summation. X equal 1 to infinite e to power tx probability of x equal x. So now if you put the probability of value for this one, probability of x equal x, what is the value? Now moment generating function mxt become what? Summation x equal 1 to infinite e to power tx into probability of x equal x, p into q to power x minus 1. So you may also write this one, a qx minus 1 is a q to power x upon q. So what is the value? This become, and p by q become a constant. So p by q become outside, inside summation x equal 1 to infinite. This one is a what? This one is a become q into e to power t to power x. E to power t from here, qx upon q become outside, so this become q to power x, e to power tx. This one is a what? This one is a geometric series. And what is the sum of infinite term? This become what? A upon 1 minus r. So what is the value? This become p by q into what is the value of first term? If we put x equal 1, then this one is a q into e to power t 1 minus r. What is the ratios? Ratios is the what? Q into e to power t. Q into e to power t. So if we simplify this one cancel out. What is the value? Value become what? Moment generating function mxt become what? mxt become p into e to power t divided by 1 minus q into e to power t. This was the moment generating function. Now how we find the value for mean and variance? How we find the value for mean and variance? Mean equal what? Mean equal expected value for x, or value for mu1 dash, and What is the variance? Variance equal expected value of x square minus expected value of x whole square. So what is the value of expected value of x square? Expected value of x square is what? Mu 2 dash. And what is the value for this one? This one is mu 1 dash minus mu 1 dash whole square. Mu 1 dash whole square. So how we find the value for mu 1 and mu 2? How we find the value for mu 1 dash and mu 2 dash? If we differentiate this one time, if we differentiate this one time, then we find what? Then we find what? Then we find the mu 1 dash. So where we differentiate here. Suppose we try to find out the value of mu 1 dash. We try to find out the value of mu 1 dash. What is the value of mu 1 dash? Mu 1 dash equal mx dash t. Mx dash t, and mx dash t equal d by dt of p into e to power t divided by 1 minus q into e to power t. So this one is the, and we apply the what? Formula of differentiation of a numerator upon denominator. So what is the value? This become 1 minus q into e to power t. Differentiation of this one is a p into e to power t minus p into e to power t. Differentiation of this one is a what? Q into minus of a q, then this become plus. So this become q into differentiation of this one is a 1 and differentiation of this one is a minus plus e to power t divided by what? 1 minus q into e to power t whole square. So if we closely observe, so this term and this term cancel out. So what is the value? Value become what? P into e to power t divided by 1 minus q into e to power t whole square. This one is the value for what? Mu 1 dash. This one is the value for mu 1 dash. Similarly, we find what? 2 time differentiation. Once again, if we differentiate this one, what is the value for this one? If we differentiate once again, then we find the value for mu 2 dash. And what is the value for this one? 1 minus q e to power t whole cube e to power t 1 plus q into e to power t. So this one is a value. This one is the value for mu 1 dash and mu 2 dash. So if we put t equal to 0, basically we find mu 1 dash if we put t equal to 0. This one is the run one if we write t equal to 0. So t equal to 0, so what is the value? Mu 1 at t equal to 0. T equal to 0. Mu 2 at t equal to 0. We find the mu 2 if t equal to 0. Not basically here. So what is the value for mu 1 dash? So this one is the differentiation. How we find the mu 1 dash? Mu 1 dash if we put t equal to 0. So if we put t equal to 0 here, so what is the value? Mu 1 dash become what? P upon 1 minus q e to power t e to power 0. This become 1 minus q whole square, and mu 2 dash become what? P into e to power 0. This become p, and this become 1 plus q divided by what? 1 minus q whole cube. So if we simplify this one, what is the value for 1 minus q? 1 minus q is a p. So what is the value for p upon p square? What is the value for this one? 1 upon p. And what is the value for mu 2 dash? Mu 2 dash become p and 1 plus q divided by 1 minus q become what? P cube. So this become mu 2 dash become 1 plus q upon p square. So 1 plus q upon p square. So these are the values of what? These are the values of mu 1 dash and mu 2 dash. So once we find the value for mu 1 and mu 2 dash, then we find the value for mean and variance. What is the value for mean? Now we calculate here. What is the value for mean? Mean become what? Mu 1 dash equal 1 upon p and mu 2 dash equal 1 plus q upon p square. So what is the mean? Mean become expected value of x, this one is 1 upon p, variance become mu1 dash mu2 dash minus means a 1 plus q upon p square minus mu1 dash square 1 upon p square. So what is the value for this one? 1 plus q minus 1 divided by p square. This one cancel out. What is the value? Q upon p square. So this one is a what? This one is a variance and this one is a mean. So this one is a variance and mean. So in this way we find the what? Moment generating function, mean and variance. Now we in a brief discuss about some properties of what? Some properties of a moment generating function. So properties of a moment generating function. Properties of moment generating function. Moment generating function. So why the moment generating function is not as much popular as other form of other coefficient of a statistics? So there are some limitation of a moment generating function. So first we discuss about the property, then we discuss about the limitation. So what is the moment generating function? Moment generating function, first property, mcx t means a moment generating function of a cx equal to what? Moment generating function of a x mxct. So this one is how we prove this one? This one is very simple. By the definition of a what? mcxt, we know that what is the mxt? mxt equal what? mxt equal summation, or you write this one is mxt equal, this one is a expected value of what? Expected value of a e to power t. Expected value of e to power tx. So mcx equal what? mcx t equal expected value for what? E to power t cx. Now what will happen here? This become what? Expected value for what? Expected value for e to power t into what? Expected value for x into ct. And this one equal what? This one is a moment generating function of mx of what? Mx equal ct. This one is a in term of a t, and here variable is a what? Variable is a ct. So this one you may say that mcx, moment generating function of a cx, equal to the moment generating function of a x, but here variable is a t, coefficient of a t give the moments, but here coefficient of a ct give the moments. What is the second property? Second property is a what? M of x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn give the what? Moment of a x1 into moment of a x2 up to moment of a xn. Means a sum of a moment generating function equal to the multiplication of a moment generating function. So by the definition of this one, mx1t, mx2t up to mxn t. Now what is the value? Value become, how we saw that this was very simple, nothing else, means just use the definition of a moment generating function. M xt equal what? Expected value of t to power, expected value of t to power tx. Expected value of e to power tx. Expected value of e to power tx. So here, by the definition, moment of x1, x2 up to xn of what? T equal expected value for e to power what? T into, in place of x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to what? xn. So what is the value for this one? This become what? This become expected value of e to power tx1 into e to power tx2 up to e to power txn. And if we use the property of a moment or property of expectation, then this become what? Expected value of e to power tx1 into expected value of e to power tx2 up to what? Expected value of e to power txn. And this one is a what? Moment generating function of x1 plus into moment generating function of x2 up to what? Moment generating function of x. So these are some properties of a moment generating function. There is some limitation of a moment generating function. I am not going to discuss in detail about what are the limitation of a generating function, but briefly we discuss about this one. There is a chance the function have a moment generating function, but that one does not generate the moments. And there is a chance there exists a moment generating function. There exists a moment generating function. What is the meaning of this one? Once we briefly discuss about this one, limitation means what are the limitation? Limitation means what are the limitation? There is a chance of there is a moment generating function. Maybe the random variable have moment generating function, but that one not give the coefficient does not give the exact moments. Coefficient does not give the exact moment. Coefficient does not give the moment. Maybe there is a expected value does not exist. If expected value does not exist, then we are unable to find out the moments. If we are unable to find out the moment, then if any function generate any random variable have a moment generating function, but there is a chance corresponding to that random variable there is nothing else, there is no any existence of a moments. Second one, maybe there is a moments exist, but there is a chance there is no any moment generating function corresponding to the random variable for which there exists a moment. So these are the some limitation, and also there is a chance there is some part of a moment generate, but some part of a moment does not generate. If mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4 generate, but after that moment generating function does not generate the moments for mu5, mu6, mu7, mu8. What is the concept behind this one? The series that we obtain, that series may be diverges. If that series diverges, then we are unable to find out the moments. We are unable to find out the expected value. Because if series diverges, what is the expected value? Sum of x into fx. This one become what? Infinite. We are unable to find out a finite value. If we are unable to find out a finite value, then we say that we are unable to find out the moments. So these are the some concept related to the what? Limitation of a moment generating function. So this one is all about this lecture. In the next lecture, we discuss about binomial distribution, then we discuss about a Poisson and normal distribution. Thank you for watching my video.